crisp, chilly start to the day as the paddlers converged on Grass Ridge Dam for the start of the 40th Fish. All eyes were on Andy Burkett, who less than a week ago was crowned the world marathon champion. Burkett started cautiously following Clint Cook through Keith's flyover 10 k's into the stage. After Keith's, Burkett found his rhythm and opened the taps. By soap punts, he was alone at the front. The women's race was more compact but loaded with drama. After a nervy start, Bridget Hartley took a swim at double trouble and then opted to portage Keith's. But then she settled and asserted herself, cruising through soap punts. Day 1 belonged to the world champ with a 7-minute lead over Clint Cook and Matt Fenn, the leading under-23. By the end of the stage, Bridget Hartley was well away at the front, leading Christy McKenzie by 2.5 minutes, with Geordie Peak in third. For the rest of the field, it was all classic fish, baking Karoo sun and full Fish River, the perfect start to a 40th celebration.